What triggers laughter? Gelotologists studying laughter offer up several theories on what could trigger people into having a giggling fit.
Forget it.
First up is the Superiority Theory, which relates the occurrence of laughter to a joke or situation which is about someone else's unlucky circumstance or absurdness. We feel superior to that person because we feel smarter and luckier than they are. So we experience a level of disconnect from the funny condition. Therefore, we're able to laugh.
I say it's duck season, and I say fire!
There's also the Irrational Theory, which proposes that laughter is prompted when we're presented with a dilemma that extremely defies logic. Researcher Thomas Veitch mentioned that when a joke begins, our mind starts to draw a diagram on what's going to occur and how it'll end. Expectations occur in the form of logical thoughts tangled with emotion and are influenced by our past experiences and our thought methods. Consequently, when the joke goes into a surprising route, our thoughts and feelings abruptly have to change gears. Thus, we have new emotions and thoughts mixing with old ones at the same time. We find our experience of different elements of an untenable situation as humorous. Then we have the Benign Violation Theory. This theory was developed by Peter McGraw, a psychology professor and the director of the Humor Research Lab at the University of Colorado. Yes, a humor lab. The good professor says the humor occurs when and only when two conditions apply at the same moment. 1. A situation is a violation, and 2. It is benign. The violation part is relating to anything that challenges your concepts and understanding about the world. For example, if you tell the president you're going to roast him, it will not end well for you, as it's a violation of the president's safety and possibly his life. So the benign part is when the outcome doesn't result in harm to anyone. It turns out it's just a comedian making a joke, and because the president is heavily protected by Secret Service. Therefore, it's benign because it would be absolutely absurd for him to even think it. Thus, it had to be a joke. Finally, there's the relief theory. When a difficult or tense situation has been built up to a boiling point, then, and just as when things are about to turn worse, comedy is inserted to relieve this bent-up emotion. It can often result in sudden, abrupt laughter.
Enough! You are all of you beneath me. I am a god, you dull creature, and I will not be bullied by that.
Puny god.